Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest Antonio has a question for us. Hi, Antonio.
Hey Gina, can you make peach crisp in a toaster oven?
Interesting question. Let's find out. For our filling, here we have some diced peaches, a mixture of butter, cornstarch, brown sugar, and cinnamon. For our topping, here we have a mixture of oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, flour, and a little bit of butter, and some pecans. Our graham cracker crust is over there. We'll take this brown sugar and butter mixture and combine it with our peaches to fill our graham cracker crust. We'll mix the topping ingredients together and put it on top of the peaches, and sprinkle some pecans on top. Let's cover up with foil. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. Okay. It smells good. Okie dokie. Wow. Hooray! Millions of peaches. Peaches for me.
Oh yeah!
Ooh! I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today.
Bye.
Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small food we can make in our small oven. See you next time!